Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into Kreuzberg, a seriously impressive Python library for text extraction. It's amazing how much it can handle.
I'm really excited about this one. From the GitHub page, it seems Kreuzberg supports a ridiculously wide range of file formats. Is that right?
Absolutely. We're talking PDFs, images, all sorts of Office documents, .docx, PPTX, even .xls and XLSX spreadsheets. It even tackles less common formats like EPUB, LaTeX, and even Jupyter notebooks. It's insane.
So what's the secret sauce? How does it manage such broad support?
Well, it cleverly integrates several powerful tools. For PDFs, it uses PDF-IUM2 for searchable PDFs and Tesseract OCR for scanned ones. Pandoc is the workhorse for document conversion, handling a huge variety of formats. Then there are other libraries for specific file types like PowerPoint, HTML, and spreadsheets. It's a beautifully orchestrated ensemble of tools.
That's a smart approach. But what about performance? Handling all those formats must be resource-intensive, right?
That's where Kreuzberg really shines. It's designed to be resource-efficient. It prioritizes local processing, no cloud dependencies, and it's built with async/await, making it incredibly lightweight and fast, even without a GPU. It's all about efficient local processing.
So it's designed for speed and efficiency, even in resource-constrained environments like serverless functions or Docker containers? That's a huge plus.
Precisely. And the API is incredibly clean and easy to use. They've really prioritized a simple, hassle-free experience. You can extract text from a file with just a single function call. Seriously, it's that straightforward.
I see. But what about error handling? Working with so many different file formats, there's bound to be potential issues.
Good point. Kreuzberg has robust error handling. It uses custom exception types to provide detailed context information for debugging. It handles validation errors, OCR failures, missing dependencies, and general parsing problems. It's very thorough.
That's reassuring. So, installation? Is it a complex process?
Not at all. You just need to install the Python package and then install Pandoc and Tesseract OCR. The instructions are clear and provided for Linux, macOS, and Windows. It's a breeze, really. Just a few simple commands.
Excellent. And what about the licensing? Is it open source and permissive?
Yes, it's MIT licensed, so it's very permissive. And they actively encourage contributions. They even have a detailed guide on how to contribute to the project. It's a very welcoming community.
This sounds like a game changer for anyone working with text extraction. The combination of broad format support, efficient processing, and a clean API is incredibly compelling. I'm definitely going to check this out.
I completely agree. Kreuzberg is a fantastic library, and I'm excited to see how it evolves. Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of text extraction with Kreuzberg. Have a great day, everyone.
Bye-bye.